If you need to quickly add a group of numbers together in Excel, the sum formula is the fastest way to do it. Here we have 3 monthly sales figures, and I've displayed them in 2 different ways to show a couple of easy examples. Let's calculate the total. The sum formula simply adds together all the numbers in a specified range of cells. In this first example, the data is all in the same row, so as we build out our sum formula here, we start with the equal sign, as we do with all formulas, and then we type in sum. The open paren is next, and then we have to specify the first of the range that we want to add up, in this case, B3. We then hit a colon to separate the range, and then we type in the last number in the range of D3, and then we close it out with a closed paren. As we then hit enter on this, you'll see the total. In this second example, the data is all in the same column, so we do the same build out, but we just keep the column number the same, and specify all the row numbers in the range. In this case, row 6, then we hit the colon, and then we end with row 8, and then we close it out with a closed paren. The sum formula also has an easy shortcut. Now I'm going to wipe out the formula I just entered into this cell, and instead I can now go up to the menu bar and just click on this icon up here, which is the AutoSum formula. If we then go back to our formula down at the bottom, we'll then notice that Excel has automatically entered the updated total in there and selected the range it felt appropriate. This is another of the most commonly used Excel functions. Once you're comfortable with sum, you're ready to move on to the more advanced functions like SUMIF. There will be a separate video covering that function. If this video has been helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more Excel tutorials.